Okay, down here on the bottom of this hill, I noticed there was a giant dirt circle that was never been there before, so I'm gonna go investigate it and document it to see if there's anything weird about it. Today I got with me a electromagnetic detector, another disc in case this one crashes, and a compass and a measuring tape. So I'm gonna go investigate it. Okay, I'm walking down to investigate the circle. Okay, here's the circle. Everything in it seems to be dead. Seems to have been here a while. I hadn't noticed it. There's dead grass in it, mostly dirt though. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test for electromagnetic radiation and whatnot. So I'm gonna turn my homemade electromagnetic detector on, and we're gonna go over here at the controlled ground. I'm gonna test the radiation above ground. It's about 4.9. I'm gonna go over here in the center of the circle and test the radiation. 4.2, 4.0. And here's another test I do is I stick it to the ground and see how much I can get out of it. Let's see, try a different spot. About 3.1. Go over here in the grass again. It's 3.1. Yesterday it was giving off a little bit more. I was trying to document yesterday. Maybe the radiation left, but it was like 30 when I stuck it to it. Now no one's gonna believe me. Let me see if there's something wrong. Sometimes it acts up. Let's see. Sometimes you gotta bend the handle. It's a very crude version. There we go. There we go. I got it. 37 when I'm touching the ground to it. Now let's go back over here in the grass. It is 3.1, 2.9. So, but yeah, it is giving off some sort of electromagnetic radiation compared to its surrounding. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the compass in it and see if I can get any response from the compass. Trying to do this with one hand. Okay, here's the compass. It's gonna point north here. I'm gonna set the compass down right in the middle of it and see what it does. It don't seem to be doing nothing right now. Let's see. No, it's just staying pointing north. Okay, no response from the compass. So this is a very sensitive compass. Still, it might not be enough to affect the compass. So what we're going to do now is measure it. Alright, I got the compass here. I mean the ruler, tape measure. And I'm going to put it one edge of the circle here. And I'm going to measure it crossways. Get the diameter of this thing. It'd be nice if I had some help, but nobody around here can help me. It's all solo. Okay. That's about okay, here we go. That's good enough. It's about 11 feet. See if you can see that. 11 feet. Yep. 11 feet. I'm going to assume it's 11 feet the other way, but we're going to go ahead and try it. Okay, now it's the other way. I was over there. And now it's 11 feet. So, it's a perfect circle. Just a little rough around the edges. So, it's a circle. And another thing I'd like to point out before I close up this documentation is that there's some cow feces here. And, it seems to be burnt white. It's not old, like white old poo, but it seems to have some sort of radiation connected to it. Nothing's coming off on the detector though, but I don't have the right equipment to test for radiation, like Geiger counters or anything. But that concludes my investigation of this weird circle. And if you want to know any more about it, please let me know. I'm probably going to send a dirt sample in to get tested and see if it contains any type of radiation. Thanks for watching, and please keep in touch.